Good evening, friends. Today we will discuss about one more name reaction, that is Michael addition reaction. Michael addition reaction. So the name itself gives you the information regarding what type of reaction it is. Okay, let us see the definition of this reaction. It is an addition reaction. It is an addition reaction in which enolate forms of enolate form of any carbonyl compound. In the previous name reactions, we have discussed about these enolates. Generally, what type of compounds undergo enolates? Active methylene group containing compounds. Active methylene group containing compounds are called enolate form of carbonyl compounds because they readily produces H plus ions in presence of base. Okay, in this particular reaction, what type of reaction it is? Addition reaction. So, it is an addition reaction in which enolate form of carbonyl compounds react with conjugated diene system. Conjugated dienes are also called alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds to produce a product that is called adduct. What type of adduct it is? 1,4 addition reaction product it is. 1,4 addition reaction product, that is also called adduct. Its name is called 1,5 dicarbonyl compounds. 1,5 dicarbonyl compounds. Okay, let us see. What is the definition of this particular reaction? It is an addition reaction in which enolate form of carbonyl compounds or active methylene group containing compounds react with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds or conjugated diene systems to yield an adduct or 1,4 addition product is also called 1,5 dicarbonyl compounds in presence of base. In presence of base. The purpose of base is it abstracts the active hydrogens from the active methylene group containing compounds. Okay, so this is the definition of Michael addition reaction. Okay, it is an addition reaction in which active methylene group containing compounds react with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds to yield 1,5 dicarbonyl compounds in presence of base. So, due to addition reaction, the product formed in this particular reaction is called adduct. Generally, these conjugated dienes undergo 1,4 addition reaction. 1,4 addition reaction. Let us see what is that 1,4 addition reaction. Okay, usually enolate form of compounds like CH2, C double bond O, C2H5. Previously, you have seen this type of molecule. It is a malonic ester. This particular malonic ester react with alpha beta unsaturated compounds like it is a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound. What is the name of this one? It is a malonic ester. It is a malonic ester that contains active methylene group. So, they yield our adduct in presence of what? Base. Generally, what type of bases are used? Sodium ethoxide. sodium ethoxide. What is the formula? C2H5O minus Na plus. To yield an adduct. What is that adduct? Same esters containing adduct. It attacks on the C. How do you confirm that it's a conjugated diene system? This is one in later on sigma bond, later on double bond. So alternative double bonds are called conjugated diene system. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 atoms are there. In between these 4 atoms, there are 2 pi bonds. Just to assume that either this one or this one. First atom, second atom, third atom, fourth atom. I am telling that atom. I am not telling that carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. In between 1 and 2, 3 and 4, there is a diene system. To yield CH double bond CH2 CH okay. See, in this particular case, there is no presence of double bond. There is no presence of double bond. So, the double bond undergo addition reaction. Addition reaction. So, in this particular case, you have to identify that here additional one hydrogen is there. Here one additional hydrogen is there. See, of course, you have found one mistake there. You have found one mistake there. Let's write. Here, one active hydrogen is going to be removed. One active hydrogen is going to be removed. That is transferred to the alpha carbon atom. Alpha carbon atom. We will see the mechanism later. Okay. The alpha hydrogen transferred to alpha carbon atom in the product. Okay. So this is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,5 dicarbonyl compound. It is a 1,5 dicarbonyl compound. 1,5 dicarbonyl compound. Is also called, this is the product obtained by the reaction called addition reaction. Hence it is called adduct. What is that? Adduct. Let us see. What is this? Whenever this donates one alpha hydrogen, it has become into carbanion. Electron rich or electron deficient? Electron rich. Hence it acts as a donor. It acts as a donor. Which donor? Michael donor. It is a Michael donor. It is a Michael donor. So it is donating means it has to accept. Hence it is called Michael acceptor. It is a Michael acceptor. So Michael donor when react with Michael acceptor in presence of base, one adduct is formed. That adduct is called 1,5 dicarbonate compound. Sir, why do we call it a 1,4 addition reaction? Okay, so you will be going to know about this particular concept in the reaction mechanism itself. Okay, let us see. What is the definition of this Michael addition reaction? It is an addition reaction in which enolate form of carbonyl compounds like active methylene group containing compounds react with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds like conjugated diene systems to yield the addition product is called adduct. This adduct mainly formed by 1,4 addition reaction. Okay, so or according to the nomenclature, at 4th position and 5th position there are 2 carbonyl groups. Hence it is called 1,5 dicarbonate compounds. Okay, let us see the mechanism. Okay, let us see the mechanism of this reaction. What is the first one? Active methylene group containing compound. It is a active methylene group containing carbonyl compound or ester. This is reacting with a base. What is that base? Na plus and OC2H5 minus to yield C. It's an alpha carbon atom containing alpha hydrogens, highly acidic in nature. So alpha hydrogens will be withdrawn by ethoxide ion, thereby generation of a nucleophile. It is none other than carbanium. Along with that, your ethoxide ion abstracts one proton. And also in the reaction medium itself, you can see the sodium ions. Okay. So, what is this? Carbanium. Which acts as a nucleophile. So, what is the step 1? Formation of nucleophile or carbanion from active methylene group containing compound. Active methylene group containing compound. You have to remember that your reagent converted to one nucleophile and one electrophile. You have to keep these 2 points in your mind. Later on we will discuss about these 2 points. Okay, your reagent converted to one nucleophile, one electrophile. What is your reagent? Active methylene group containing carbonyl compound in presence of base generates the nucleophile. Now, this particular nucleophile, what is that nucleophile? Your carbanium. It donates 1H plus. Later on, it became into a nucleophile. Attacks onto the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is also called conjugated diene. Conjugated diene. See, now we have to know one additional concept. See, in the previous case, this carbon is called alpha carbon atom. Moreover, this alpha carbon atom donates H plus ions. Thereby, this carbon attains negative charge. According to the nature of carbonyl compound, I am telling. So, is it nucleophilic carbon atom or electrophilic carbon atom? Nucleophilic carbon atom. So, that's why now there is a chance of attacking our nucleophile onto either electrophilic carbon of carbonyl compound, or due to its nucleophilicity, there is a migration of pi bonded electrons to this carbon atom. Thereby, at the first carbon atom, there is a generation of electrophilicity. So now there is a two chances to attack of nucleophile. One is either at carbonyl carbon atom or beta carbon atom. Which one is strong electrophilic in nature? Which one is strong electrophilic in nature? Due to this weak bond, this is highly electrophilic in nature. So that's why the nucleophile attacks onto this electrophilic carbon atom. Whenever it attacks, it migrates the pi bonded electrons to here. So thereby this carbon automatically generates negative charge. To compensate that negative charge, this carbon must bear positive charge. No need to must bear, because the pi bonded electrons always more tends towards to oxygen. See, 1, 2, 3. First it attacks onto the beta carbon atom. Migration of pi electrons at alpha carbon atom. Migration of pi electrons from beta carbon to alpha carbon atom. Thereby shifting of pi bonded electrons to oxygen. Sure? Now we will write the product. Your nucleophilic carbon attacks onto the beta carbon of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Here, what is that? CH2. Here, what is the charge? Negative charge. Again, positive charge. CH double bond C O minus H. Am I right? So, what is formed here? It is another enolate ion. It is another enolate ion. Okay? So, in this particular case, see, in the first reaction, overall reaction, in the conjugated diene system, this is the first atom, second atom, third atom, fourth atom. Nucleophile attacks onto the fourth atom. You remember that. Nucleophile attacks onto the 1, 2, 3, fourth one. So, in the addition, nucleophile added to fourth carbon atom or fourth atom. Okay. Now, this is the second step. Formation of alkoxide or alkene oxide. Formation of alkene oxide. In the third step, that alkene oxide. What is that alkene oxide? CH C double bond O O C2 H5. You can also write like this. C double bond O O C2 H5 bond with CH2 C H double bond O minus H. Okay, it undergo protonation. It undergo protonation. Now you tell me the product. CH C double bond O O C2H5 C double bond O O C2H5 with CH2 CH double bond CH. Look at here carefully. O H. Which atom it is? First atom. Which atom it is? Fourth atom. So your reagent added, electrophile added at first atom, nucleophile added at fourth atom. It is the first atom of conjugated diene system. This is the fourth atom of conjugated diene system added with nucleophile and electrophile. Hence it is called 1,4 adduct or addition product. Okay. Now you may get one doubt, sir. Till now we did not get any particular product. You know very well about the isomerization. It is enol. Enol undergo tautomerization to yield ketone form. It is an enol. It is an enol form undergo tautomerization. Reversible arrow it is because it's undergo isomerization to yield same CH C double bond O O C2H5 C double bond O O C2H5. Sorry, I have forgotten to write H over here. You have to check it carefully. And this is enol form. In the ketone form, migration of this hydrogen to alpha carbon atom. CH2 CH. Here the hydrogen of our active methylene group containing compound and the carbonyl compound, carbonyl group. Okay, so this is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5 dicarbonyl compound. It's a dicarbonyl compound. This is the mechanism involved in the Michael addition reaction. In the Michael addition reaction, what is the first step? Formation of nucleophile or carbanion. In this step, active methylene group containing carbonyl compounds or esters in presence of base undergo deprotonation. Undergo deprotonation to yield carbanion. Second step. Attack of nucleophile onto the beta carbon of conjugated diene system of carbonyl compound to yield alkene oxide. Alkene oxide. That is the second step. In this nucleophilic carbanion or enolate form of carbanion attacks onto the conjugated diene system to yield alkene oxide. In the third step, sorry, I don't have any place to write over here. So, in the third step, protonation of alkene oxide to yield 1,4-adduct or enol form of 1,4 addition product. That is the third step. Protonation of alkene oxide. What is this process called? It's a protonation. It is a protonation. This is a deprotonation. So whenever this proton is involved in this particular case, what is still remain there? Our catalyst itself. Okay. So this is step 1, formation of carbanion. Step 2, formation of alkene oxide. Step 3, protonation of alkene oxide to yield 1,4 addition product is also called 1,4-adduct. This is the enol form of our product. It readily undergo, on this arrow we have to write tautomerization. Enols undergo tautomerization to yield ketones. Okay, of course, here the functional group is aldehyde. Instead of this H, is there any methyl, ethyl or propyl radical is there? Then it becomes ketone. Hence it is called keto-enol tautomerization. This is also called, based on the nomenclature, this is the first carbon atom, this is the second carbon atom. See, there is a confusion after putting these particular numbers. That's why I am not giving the numbers there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5 dicarbonyl compound. So this is the mechanism involved in the Michael addition reaction. With this, the mechanism of Michael addition reaction is finished. Okay, thank you.